Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is October 15th, 2021. And why I believe correction is over, at least for the short term. Also going to be talking about potential value stocks that could be a great investment for the end of this year, 2021, and for 2022. So if you want to know that, stay with us. Let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we analyze the stock market, the chart formation, and much more. So you want to learn, you want to start applying a strategy, this is the channel that you should be following. Also, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and share with someone that we believe will be helping. Also, remember, we have a Facebook page, Facebook group, Buy, Grow, Sell Strategy for Share Traders. Great content, great analysis also is shared over there. So make sure to become a member of that. Now, let's decrease my face here and jump straight to what's happening in the market. Now, if you've been following our channel, we posted a few weeks ago a video about BUBS, how to protect your portfolio against market crash or correction. So we did, and now we're closing our position on a short position on BUBS as the market looks like it's bouncing back from the correction. So why we did that? I'm going to quickly teach you about our strategy again. So we use indicators specific for BG trading strategy, which once again are the moving averages that we use, EMA, SMA represented in different colors. Also, the candlestick chart that we use is not the candle chart, is actual Fibonacci. Very important to know that. And then we create a lot of KPIs to appraise every single movement of the market. At the moment, this is BUBS. If you don't know what BUBS is, just type in BUBS in Google. You know that it is a short position of the top 200 companies. So now we treat as any other stock. As the market, BUBS has came up with a bearish intersection level 2 here, the candle crossing the yellow line. Okay, so that's showing us that a potential pull up on BUBS that we had about there was about 10% opportunity, but remembering we only bought BUBS to protect against a potential market crash or a correction. Now we're closing up, minimum profit, but doesn't matter, we are protected, and we're going to take this fund to invest elsewhere as well. Now comparing to the top 200, which the code is XJO, we have exactly the inverse movement. As you can see, bullish intersection here, okay? Bullish intersection level 1, candle trading above the yellow line, so we out of that. Now potentially, if you compare to other market corrections, we have 5% here, 5% there, 2% here, and now we have 5%. I think that was a pretty decent correction, and it looks like the market is bouncing back now towards a new all-time high. Now, if we see a new all-time high, we're going to see all odds around 3,000 mark. See, around there. That could happen over the next few months, despite the inflation, despite anything. So if it's inflation, it's good for some of the stocks anyway, and it could help banks and some of the financial sector, insurances, all these type of companies that was a little bit squeezed by the low interest rates, right? Let's have a look. Some of the stocks now that I believe could go up over the next 6 to 12 months. First sector that I think is undervalued, consumer defensive. Consumer defensive, you see like A2 milk again. We've been covering A2 milk quite a long time. We did the trade A2 milk, still holding some of the A2 milk as well. Look at this. So you see a clear bounce back on A2 milk. All right, clear bounce back with double bottom as well, exactly what we wanted to see for a potential reversal. Obviously, now there was some class action against the company, but look, I don't think that will be a catalytic issue for the price to keep crashing. I think that could be well the bottom for this stock. We also trade. We had an incredible week, by the way. We made some really nice trade with BUBS Australia. BUBS is another company that could benefit from that. Obviously, the Diagonal channel opening up as well, and provided that also the company now is trading since September in the US market. We could see a massive movement. The stock used to trade about $1.20 some stage last year. We could well see this company doubling the share price very, very soon. Again, no financial advice, guys. It's just our thoughts about, and as well as A2 Milk. This is a double bottom here. So if you look at for double bottom, technical analysis, pattern movement, you will see this is not just the technical, but the fundamentals as well, matching a potential growth on this stock, right? Now, quickly going through ZIP, because this is one of the stock we covered quite a lot. So ZIP is it's pressure by it is a growth stock that consumes a lot of money. Now trading sideways, it will potentially keep trading sideways for a while. At the moment, I don't see ZIP above $8 for too long over the next. So I wouldn't be investing ZIP. Potentially keep trading ZIP, but not invest for long term. Now, obviously, energy stocks. If you are our VIP member, you know that we entered into Woodside. Incredible run here. I think it's going to go to $28, 28, even 30, 35 potentially, as it's still trading under all-time high, as I said. Now, sorry, not trading under all-time high. I'm saying it's still trading before under pre-COVID levels. So is Oil Search, which is another stocks that we like trading on energy sector. Gas price 400% up from last year. Oil price above pre-COVID levels, and stock trading still about 40% under pre-COVID levels. So great opportunity energy sector as well. So this is just few stocks that we're talking about now. Obviously, other EV related stock and hydrogen stock. If you're following us in the group, you know that we did really nice trade with Hazer Group last week, 30+% in this trade. Now, obviously, the stock is recovering, but once again, if you're following us, you know that you need to buy any stock like this over around the SMA, not above. Now, it is in FOMO area, okay? So if you are a VIP member, congratulations, you did trade, make some really good money out of that. But now, gotta wait SP to come around the yellow line, the red line, then we buy it again, potentially that, and then other stocks on EV sector, such as Orocobre, Novonix. Novonix is another one. It's about recovering as well. So a lot of opportunities around this EV sector as well, and that's why we think a lot of the money should be at the moment, at least for us, a lot of our money should be well invested around this sort of sector. Where is right now sectors that has overperformed. Now, tech sector, a lot of people say that tech sector is no good in inflation, but good tech stocks should do well, guys. Should do well. Good tech stocks. So just keep that in mind. The good tech stocks should do well. Stocks that actually not just generating revenue, but also generating profit. Solid growth in its profit. All right, so that should do well. Another sector that we've been covering recently is the data storage sector, like Nexus, DC, and other stocks that we've been sharing with our VIP members. So just a few ideas if you have no idea where to start this year. This is a few ideas for you. And if you want to learn more about the stocks that we in detail, look at our membership program. You get access to all our analysis and everything. So it could be a great way to start investing solid, good quality information as well, so you can make better decisions and potentially make some good money over trading or even investing. Guys, this was my taking on the overall market and some value stocks for next year. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, any stock that you wish us to take a look. Let us know. And have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.